Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change font on Instagram bio. Why should you change font on Instagram? First, to stand out. Instagram is one of the most creative social media platform, and many designers, creators, artists use it to showcase their work. Similarly, many brands are also competing for attention by highlighting their activity. And that means that the level of competition in terms of creativity is incredibly high. Using custom fonts is one way to make your Instagram presence different from the others and stand out. Second, to showcase your creativity. Instagram is all about experimenting with your content. Changing text font is another way by which you can showcase your creativity. Third, to bank on the latest trends. The first method is Instagram font generation. This is another simple option to try based on a text box and the list of all available fonts that you can use. However, FontGet also expands your options with emojis, cool symbols, and text faces. The second option, Meta Tags Font Generator. If you want to preview how your new font shows up on your bio, then this tool is for you. You can use it to preview your profile with different fonts and see how they'd work to represent your brand. Here's the exact process on how to change font on Instagram bio. Visit Meta Tags Font Generator. Then type your text at the left of the screen and several font options will show up, and pick the one that you like. Copy the text and go to the Instagram app. Tap on your profile and click at the top of your profile at Edit Profile. Then, paste the text on your bio. And you're done. Keep in mind the limit of 150 characters, so make sure you provide all the necessary details for your brand in this section. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.